County in northwest. Thunderstorm, Lake County in northwestern Indiana. The thunderstorm was located 2 miles northwest of Cedar Lake, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Miles northwest of Cedar Lake, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Cherville, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Cedar Lake, Griffith, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Winfield, New Chicago, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, and Wheeler. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Railcats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.